Today, we're here to launch Marintec, a joint institute between Navantia Australia and the University of Technology, Sydney. It's taking a world-class maritime company working with a world-class University of Technology to deliver real-world outcomes, not only for industry, but for Australia as a whole, particularly in the space of sovereign capability and delivery of workforce of the future.
I'm really excited to be here today for the launch of Marintec, the Maritime Institute of Technology. At Navantia Australia, we'd like to help support the growth of a truly Australian naval shipbuilding and sustainment industry, to have a focus on digital technologies for the maritime industry, have research translation to commercially relevant work, and also support workforce development.
The collaboration between UTS and Navantia Australia is great because we can work together where we can get their expertise on the Navy side, we can get the researchers from our side, and we can collaborate and make really interesting projects that do solve a genuine need.
The scope of Marintec is indeed limitless in terms of what we could actually do together.
We will have R&D projects that could help us either train, for example, the graduates and PhD students that could be part of the institute, but also move digital technologies forward in the maritime industry.
Working with Navantia Australia through Marintec is amazing. We work on a lot of different projects with real-life Navy use cases.
I've been involved in a couple projects with Navantia Australia, one of them being ship routing. This platform accounts for things like weather risks, geopolitical risks, safety risks. It's a very collaborative approach, all about co-creation for us. So I think that's how we believe that our solutions will succeed.
So in the gamification training project, I worked on the system architecture to enable the remote training using the project. The project allows for remote training of cadets, recruits and trainees in Navy processes.
With training specifically, you really want to feel like maybe you have that sense of danger, give the trainees a real-world experience of what it might be like. This would empower recruiters or even possible recruits as to what a career in the Navy might be like.
All of this really goes to the maritime industry push for the best world-in-class digital technologies.
To deliver real-world outcomes, not only to benefit industry, but also for Australia as a whole.